But can you take this video and put it on something else?
Okay.
Okay.
What do you think, man?
Perfect.
Look like the middle of her dimple, don't it?
Looks good to me. You got all over here pushing me over.
All right. Now,
How isn't it level?
her dimple, one's lower. I mean,
You think you would still want them level though, right?
But she wants them in her dimple.
she wants them in her dimple.
I don't think it looks bad at all, though.
It could be the belt, too. You never know.
Really, Clarissa, unless you stand there forever, too, and stare at it, like, what do you think? Like, it looks even to me.
I mean, you really ain't gonna tell far away, really.
No, just
But I
turn
mean,
back
look in the
around.
mirror, though, like, it doesn't...
You know what? I think
I'd tell you if it looked bad, for
I
sure.
think it's more the way her belt's holding than anything.
Yeah, I think it's good, and it's right in her dimples, and that's where she
It's
wants
right
it.
in her dimples, and they're spread apart evenly. Yeah, they look good like that.
Looks good to me. Don't overthink it, just do it.
Yeah.
It looks fine.
All right, jump your little stony eyes up there in your belly. Lay down flat. Let's get her done.
Can I stand right here?
Yeah.
Well, I just like shooting all over the place.
It's alright, just
Spray you in your face.
close your eyes, baby girl.
I'm not
It'll be
getting
okay.
fresh. I'm just trying to get your jeans down out of my way, young lady.
She's not being fresh.
This is the worst part of it.
Does that hurt?
Both too. I just saw the hole in your back.
Yeah, that was a little cookie cutter thing. See, it's not bad like you want to scream or anything,
Damn,
no?
she didn't bleed.
That's awesome.
You were a bleeder.
I know I bled a lot for a minute, didn't I?
Yes, you did. All right, I'll
Yeah,
show
you really don't bleed at all.
Hopefully this one will go in nice and easy for me. Damn, I'm good.
You are good.
That one's done?
Yep.
One done.
I told you it's not bad.
There's a trick to these, man. There's a little tool this long that screws into the anchor itself. And that's how my niece Melissa, she puts the anchor in and then tries to put the jewelry in it. I told her that's really the hard way to do it, dipshit.
Right.
Put it together and pop it in one piece.
Okay, good for the next one now.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad, was it?
Dumb now.
I feel like when he pinches it and cuts that out, like I just felt more pinching or pressure on my face than the actual cut.
All right, one down. Where'd he go?
Yeah, he hasn't bled at all, really.
Oh,
huh?
that one went in just pretty, too. See if we get lucky and get
You
two.
should watch that video on
two of them
YouTube,
that
though.
don't
Like, they
bleed.
made it look awful. So I can't wait till you watch this playback of this part.
Whoa.
Huh?
That's some weird shit there.
It's a little cookie
Yeah,
cutter,
it's a little
dude.
cookie
Just
cutter.
remove that
Cut
little
the
piece
chunk of
of skin.
skin right out.
Just remove it. Look,
It
look.
takes it right out.
Little cookie cutter.
I like that.
And there was that piece of skin was inside that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's everyone said, what's it like? Yeah, it's just to cut it.
But you screw it in.
That's why I put the AD on, just for lubricant when it's cutting. And my wife, I explained like that to customer. It's like a little cookie cutter. She said, that's a hell of a way to put it. I said, I don't know any other way to put it. That's what it is.
I know when everybody asks me how you did
The
it.
little cookie
like
cutter.
everybody says that. That's how I